Hello everyone, I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and today we're trying to answer all of your masking questions, all of your masks in the workplace questions, because it's a new thing that we're all having to deal with, and it's complex, and it's crazy, and it's confusing, and that's frustrating and scary for all of us, right? Here's the next question. My employer is ignoring a statewide mask order and has instructed us to keep serving unmasked customers. This seems reckless, and I'm scared for my health. What can I do? So this is going to change a little bit jurisdiction to jurisdiction. If you have a disability that puts you at risk for COVID, right, at that point, right off the bat, you're going to be due reasonable accommodations. There's a lot we can do under federal law and also the laws of most states as well, right? Most states agree, and certainly the federal laws agree, if you have a disability, you deserve a reasonable accommodation, and most conditions that are comorbidities for COVID are going to qualify as disabilities, so there's a lot we can do there. Now, you're also in a situation where your employer is completely ignoring state mandates, state guidelines, state laws, right? At that point, in most jurisdictions, there's things you can do. In some states, you're only going to be able to report them, and they will get fined. That's better than nothing, because if they get fined, hopefully they do the right thing. And if you're lucky, you can report them anonymously so they don't know it's you and you don't get blamed. Hopefully no retaliation. Now, in New York, you can sue. You can bring a case against an employer for doing this. In fact, a friend of mine, Jonathan Bell, has a case against Carvel for just exactly the situation. There was a person working at Carvel serving, I presume, ice cream and delicious ice cream cakes. And that person was told by management to serve customers without masks on. That person refused and experienced retaliation, and now they're suing, right? That's a claim in New York. That is something that an employment attorney can help you with, and that gives you kind of the range of what can happen in all the different states, right? There might only be fines in place. You might actually be able to sue. There might be a great deal you can do. Who knows? So the answer should be here, if your employer is trying to force you to do this, call an employment attorney, figure out what your rights are, figure out what your options are, put together a plan, kind of a tactical approach to how to fix the situation, and go from there. I hope this helps.